A very warm and pleasant welcome to Montfort School, Dhenkanal. From the time of Munirishi, when the seeds of science and knowledge were first sown, humanity has continued to explore, invent, and innovate. Over the centuries, science has advanced in countless ways. Discoveries like electricity have brightened our world, and medical innovations have saved millions of lives.
In recent times, breakthroughs such as artificial intelligence and space exploration have opened new doors of possibility, helping us understand our universe and improving the way we live and communicate.
As the ancient prayer says,
Tamso ma jyotirgamay.
lead us from darkness to light. Science truly embodies this spirit, guiding humanity from ignorance to knowledge, from doubt to discovery.
In this same path of enlightenment and innovation, Montfort School, Dhenkanal proudly presents its science exhibition showcasing the creativity, curiosity, and brilliance of our young minds. We extend a hearty welcome to all our respected guests, teachers, parents, and students.
Let us together celebrate the power of science, the eternal light that leads humanity forward. We wish you all a scientific and enlightening time at the exhibition. We began the exhibition with an inspiring inaugural ceremony filled with zeal.
Innovation and discovery, the very pillars of scientific thought. Arrival. To make this day special, we have Dr. Devi Prasad Mishra, BSc, BA, M awardee and many more. Escorted by Siveshwar Nath, Sarthak, Sambhavi and Arpita. I warmly welcome you, sir. I also welcome our principal, vice principal, teachers and all my schoolmates. As it's our custom to pay a warm welcome to our vulnerable guests, I request our girls to come up for the aarti and bouquet.
Through this art and craft, sometimes we see the things, but once we see through this model, through this art and through this craft, I wish you a very great day.
I declare this annual science exhibition of Montfort School Dhenkanal open. For the science exhibition, I have prepared for my service last year, 2024, and now I am free I can visit different schools and colleges and address the students. Nicely, I thank the principal and all the staff members who are working every day, and that will naturally it will imbibe good spirit in the students. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
As we conclude the inaugural ceremony, let us carry forward the same enthusiasm and curiosity throughout the exhibition. May this event inspire us all to think creatively, explore fearlessly, and contribute meaningfully to the world of science.